Okay, time for another video. I'm not sure if you see my last post, but I did pick up this Nintendo Switch. Now, the problem with the Switch is when you turn it on, it has a error message on screen with 21010001. So that message is most likely going to be caused by the M92. Now, it has no power at the moment, but I can change it because you're not going to be able to see here, but I will switch it over to the microscope. But there is a slight bent pin inside here. Now, that's probably most likely after taking out the M92 chip, because that error message is usually caused by the M92. Now, I'm not sure if the charging port on its own can cause that message, but I guess I'm going to find that out today. I just got a picture up on screen just of the listing, just so you can see the switch, and then I'll take it over to the microscope, show you the pin, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so here's the listing. As you can see, it's in German, but it says visually new condition. After switching on, the following text is displayed. So that's the error message. Press the power button and restart the console. Error unknown. Only the Switch Lite is sold in defective condition without any other accessories. So that's what I got. And in fairness, when I come back over here, it actually is in like new condition. This is in excellent condition. So what I'll do is I'll switch over to the microscope and we'll take it from there, but it's going to need at least a new charging port, but most likely because of that error message, it's going to need the M92 replaced as well. Okay, so looking at the port here, we do see that one bin pin just right there. I think that's kind of the only pin that's causing an issue, but we can see it's sticking up here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to disassemble the board fully and just check around the M92 and change that port and see if we got damage on the M92 as well. Okay, so just looking at the M92, we do see some residue here, which is a good sign that this chip has gone bad. So that's what we were expecting, this chip to be bad anyway, with that error message on screen. So I'm just going to check for some shorts anyway. Yeah, we do have some shorts on the chip as well. So what I'm going to do is, because the port is bad as well, I'm just going to I'll take the port off first, and then I'll remove the chip after, and we can see if those shorts are gone. Now, it's most likely the chip is causing the shorts because the pins are bent, and that's probably what's caused the actual chip to go bad, but the pins are not touching each other at the moment, so it's most likely the chip is causing the short on the actual line. So, but I'll remove both anyway, and we'll check if those shorts gone, and should be just changing the port in the M92 and this should be fully working. Okay, so I've just added some flux to the port there. I'm going to use 420 degrees and 50% airflow to get it off. Now, some people use different temperatures and different airflows. That's just what I use, so it's not really a guide, just what I use. So I'll remove this and I'll remove the M92 nozzle out of them here. We can check if the short's gone, then we'll just replace these two components and hopefully it will be working then. Okay, so I just removed the port there. Now, I was just nudging the port with the tweezers, I wasn't actually pulling it. It's very important that you don't pull that, because if you do pull it, you might end up pulling up the traces with it. And yeah, the shorts are still here, so that was kind of expected really. But I removed the chip, the shorts should be gone, and we'll just replace them. I'll just remove it really quick now, just to double check that they will be gone, but they will. Again, for this now I'm going to use 450 degrees and probably 50% airflow again. Probably going to be crazy on the flux, however it doesn't make a difference. And so if we check here now again, we can see all them shorts are gone. So yeah, the chip was causing that. So what I do is I'll just replace the port and the chip. What I'll be doing is I'll pre-tin the port, and I might have to add some solder to the middle pad here. I'm not sure, but it'll probably be fine. But I'll just add a small bit in, and we'll give it a test then. Okay, so it's just back together enough to test, so I'm just going to plug it in just to check we do get a charging symbol. Now it was dead, so it's going to be dead, but let's just see if we get a logo on screen. And we get a logo that side. Let me just flip the charger. Just trying to be very careful with the charger when I'm plugging it in, because it's got no screws attached on the back. Let's just see if we get a logo this side. And yeah, we do. Now I'm going to have to leave a charge up just to see if it still has that error message on screen, but hopefully it will be gone now. So I'll be back once it's charged up. Okay, so it is fully charged now and there is no error message on screen, so that's very good news. I've been using it for a few days. It's fully working, it's fully back together, everything works perfect. So what I do is I'll end the video here, and hopefully I see you in the next one. And probably going to look, maybe I got some iPhones pretty cheap. Maybe going to look at fixing them in the next video. Hopefully I'll see you all there. Thanks for watching.